Oh, would you look at the time? It's time to...
I uploaded a vlog. Check it out.
It got more greasy, but that's so.
You're doing that to insult me.
Hey guys, my friend is an awesome singer, and I was in her music video. It's right there. Go look at it. Ah! Did you know you can talk to deer by burping? What did I say? You call his mom a fat whore. He's running at us.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, okay. Excuse me.
Oh.
Hello.
Resbaladilla.
I like dicks.